Hi everyone, here is a video to go over in general the week 3 process note. So this one is a little bit different than week 1. We have a whole new category to pay attention to. But before we get there, let's go back and look at the dyad content and process. Content, just what you discussed, just a list. Nothing about you, how you felt, what you liked, what you didn't like. All that goes down in here. And there's an additional question now that asks you to relate what you talked about in your interaction to what you learned about in week 3. The large group process focuses on week 2 and week 3. So you're going to separate those out. So this should be, again, a half a page, but it might take a little bit longer, more than that, because you're reflecting on 2 weeks. Now, part 3, new part. And I've made some separate videos for you about this. So there's a separate video about group stage. You'll use each one of these as headings in your paper. You must use these as headings. This is going to be 3 double-spaced pages. So there's a video separate for group stage. There's a video about group roles and your role. These are named in the video. They're not like I sat there and I was a group member. That's not a role. That's not what we're talking about. So see that video for that. Your contribution, straightforward question. The group effects, another straightforward question. Here we have your response and differences and similarities. Sometimes students get a little caught up in not understanding what you're being asked to talk about here. So I made 2 short videos, one for each of these. And then this is a pretty straightforward question. What would you change about the group or your contribution if you could? And then here is your reading reflection. So you're reflecting on the assigned reading for weeks 2 and week 3. In week 2, you're talking about Morrison. In week 3, you're reflecting on Rosenberg. Okay? If you have questions, please ask me. Thank you.